the suburbs over there, boys. Friggin' suburbs. I'm hoping to get a spot here of the sunrise to you guys. Oh, how cool is that? Sunrise to the Spanish Moss. Oh, look at that sun. Oh yeah, I gotta find a spot, man. Gotta find a spot. Yeah, oh nice. Nice. I'm hoping, come on. We gotta get a good spot here. We gotta get a good spot. Oh no. Wow, water looks a little high there, don't it? Jeez. Again, Rever. Good roads from Rever. Oh, Jesus. Good roads from Rever. Look at these turny roads, boys. Look at these. Yes, sir. Rever's kicking it. Rever's doing it for us. Rever app. Check it out. It's a little buggy. It ain't perfect. But you gotta watch out for these fucking speed bumps. I do like how they have them labeled like that. You know, dash thing to the speed bump so you can gauge the distance and shit. But that is one of the problems. It takes you on a lot of these curvy roads, but like a lot of times when I have curvy roads in Florida, they put speed bumps on it, or speed tables, whatever they call them. If I was on the adventure bike, you know what I'd call them? Fucking jumps! Like, look at this thing. See it coming? I fucking hit the throttle right here. Let off, give it the old run. Fucking jump this motherfucker right out. But old Harley don't really take an act of God and get this big pig in the air. And then when you do, watch out. It's, you know, she ain't exactly a performance machine. It's funny, you know, people look back at Evel Knievel and look at the shit people are doing now and jumping and stuff. They're like, oh, man, well, Evel Knievel was just kind of the first. It wasn't that big of a deal. Bullshit. Evel Knievel did it on a Harley. And I ain't saying that as a compliment to Harley. I'm saying that as a compliment to Evel Knievel. As how in the fucking Christ sakes did you ever jump that big piece of shit and land some of them? How he landed any of them is a fucking miracle. I mean, those things were turds. Still are turds. You know, the ST Lowrider just came out with inverted forks. I mean, are you fucking kidding me? Just now. Come on. They wonder why fucking nobody young wants these fucking things. They're like, oh, we're dying with the boomers. Yeah, because they're the only ones that want those fucking things. Make something worth a fuck. I have tried the Pan American, and it is okay. Is it an adventure bike? No. I mean, yes it is, but I mean, it's an adventure bike like I think the BMW GS 13,000 or whatever the fuck it is now is an adventure bike. I think they're on the same level. Meaning like they're great touring bikes. Not adventure bikes. Nope. Sorry. But personally, I think all adventure bikes are a bit... I don't know what the word I want to use is. I think they're misguided, you know, like, you know, you got all these things on there, you know, like adventure, off-road. Push it, those things suck off-road. I would rather give up some comfort on-road for some performance off-road. Now, there is a few that are good. I have an old KTM 950. It is pretty good off-road. Is it dirt bike good? No way in hell. Yamaha Tenere. Again, pretty decent off-road. Is it dirt bike worthy? No. You know, adventure bikes are basically road bikes that are meant for dirt roads. Dirt road bikes. That's what they are. Dirt road bikes. They are not trail bikes. They are not, you know, you go to a fucking, you know, and yes, I know there is people that do it and do it successfully and all this shit. Oh, look at that big orange ball, boys. She's coming up. Big orange ball. I'm gonna have to stop here. Take a picture of that right there. Oh yeah. Big orange ball. Friggin' right. Big orange ball. Big orange ball, boys. Back on this hog, plug in all my shit and do all this, blah blah blah. I don't know if I said it. That's sarcasm. I know I've said it. This fucking heated gear is the shit. Definitely picking up the pants on the way home. I got the gloves and then the glove liners. I think I prefer the glove liners than the gloves. I don't know. But needless to say, it I think I prefer the glove liners to the gloves. Kind of think maybe I got the gloves too tight. Maybe need to wear them more. I wanted to get them tight because I wanted them to like wear in, so to speak. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna turn you off and pull out the traffic here and get going. All right. Check in with you later.